What's up YouTube guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. Today I want to talk about how to set up Pycharm IDE for writing Python on your computer. IDE program is an integrated development environment. In the last video, we have introduced how IDE works for Python. There are many IDE programs, just like Visual Studio Code and the Conda system, and this system including Jupyter, Pycharm, and Eclipse. In our tutorial series, we choose to use Jupyter in Anaconda and Pycharm IDE because those programs are more interactive and user-friendly. Okay, let's start to download Pycharm IDE and set it up. Okay, we go to Google browser and type Pycharm, and we can see the link of Pycharm and get in. There is Pycharm website and there are many information about Pycharm, and we can see the link of download and get in. And download Pycharm is distinguished the version of professional and community. And community version is free and open source, and we choose it and download, and it will take you some time. Alright, if you have downloaded Pycharm install program, and we're gonna execute it. Next, and we choose these three. Install. Finish. Alright, we have installed Pycharm, and we're gonna start to execute it and set it up. Find the icon of Pycharm and execute it. And create new project. We type test. Okay, we see the project of test and click it and right click, open a new Python file, test hello, enter. Alright, we see the Python file of test hello. Let's start to type the first Python code. Print, bracket, double quotation mark, hello world. And right click, run test hello. Alright, you can see the computer output hello world. It is very simple. And we can go to file, setting, appearance, change the stand of background. We choose the other one. And choose back. And we can also change the font size. We go to Setting, Editor, Font, change font size to 16. OK. Alright, it is very easy. Today I talk about how to install Pycharm and write the first Python code on your Pycharm. If you like this video, please click thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe. See you next time.